In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Miro board as a PDF. Miro is a fantastic tool for visual collaboration, but sometimes you might need to share a static version of your board with others who don't have access to Miro or simply want a copy they can view offline. Exporting your board as a PDF is a perfect way to do this. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to share your board with ease. First, start by opening the Miro board you'd like to export. Once you're in your board, look towards the top right corner of the screen. This is a key area where you'll find the option to export. Locate and click on the button that says Export this board. This button is usually represented by an icon that looks like an arrow pointing out of a box, symbolizing exporting or sharing options. Clicking this button will initiate the export process and present you with a list of export formats to choose from. Now, from the menu of available export formats, you'll want to select Save as PDF. This option is useful because PDFs are universally accessible and preserve the layout and design of your board without any alterations, ensuring that all recipients will see exactly what you intended. PDFs also make it easy to print the board or keep a uniform version for documentation purposes. After selecting Save as PDF, you'll be prompted to define the portion of the board you wish to export. Here, you can choose to export the entire board or a specific part of it. Miro allows you to use the selection tool to conveniently highlight the section of the board you're interested in. This is particularly helpful if you only want to share a segment of the board that may contain confidential or pertinent information without the need to send the entire board. When you're satisfied with your selection, simply click on the Export button. Miro will begin processing your request, and a download will start shortly thereafter. Depending on the size of your board and the complexity of the elements within it, this may take a little time, so be patient. Once the download is complete, you'll have a PDF version of your Miro board right in your Downloads folder, ready to be distributed. Whether you plan to email it, upload it to a shared drive, or simply keep it for your records, the PDF format ensures that your work can be shared and viewed easily. And there you have it, your Miro board is now a PDF document ready to be shared. Exporting your Miro board as a PDF is a simple yet powerful way to ensure your ideas and designs can reach a wider audience without having to navigate the Miro platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy exporting!